Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Soundarya V, currently studying MBA at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to present the topic on data analysis and interpretation from research methodology and IPR. Introduction. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts and figures um, r- which is used for a specific purposes such as survey or analysis. The word raw means facts that are unprocessed. Data is collected from various sources and which is used to describe a process of systematic gathering of data which consists of numbers, characters, symbols or pictures, etc. What is data analysis and interpretation? Data analysis. Data analysis is a process for obtaining raw data and converting it into a meaningful information which are useful for decision making by the users. Data are collected and analyzed to answer the questions, test the hypothesis whether true or false, or disprove the theories. Next, data interpretation. Data interpretation is the process of reviewing data through some predefined processes which will help to assign some meaning to the data and arrive at a relevant conclusion. It involves taking result of data analysis, making inferences or relations studied and using them to conclude. Next, the purpose of data analysis. The purpose of data analysis involves to identify the relationship, to make informed decisions, to identify the errors, to test hypothesis whether true or false, and to give conclusion. Identifying the relationship. It involves discovering how variables interact and influence each other, like correlation and regression analysis. To make informed decisions. It involves data insights to guide strategic choice, reduce the risk and uncertainties, uh, so that it can improve the decision making. Identifying the error. Data analysis involves identifying the error while making samples, etc. Testing hypothesis. It is statistical evidence to test the statement whether true or false. Supporting conclusion. After all the data are made, at last the conclusions are drawn into meaningful information. Kinds of data analysis. Descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis summarizes the data at hand and presents the data in a comprehensive way. Inferential analysis. It is used for generalizing the larger population with a smaller sample size of data. Diagnostic analysis. It is an analysis which takes more detailed look at data to reveal why certain patterns occur, making it a good method. Exploratory result. It is an analysis which helps to discover correlation and relationship between variables in the data. Predictive analysis. It is the analysis help in to make the prediction about the future with the data. Causal analysis. It emphasizes finding the cause of a correlation between the variables. Methods used in data interpretation. Quantitative method. Quantitative method is used to analyze the quantitative data or numerical data. It uses number instead of text to represent the data. It has two types, discrete data and continuous data. Qualitative method. Qualitative method is used to analyze qualitative data or categorical data. A qualitative data interpretation uses text instead of numbers or patterns to represent the data. It has three types: nominal, ordinal, and binary. Types of data interpretation: bar graph, pie chart, table, line graph. Basic concept of data interpretation. The well organized and well structured data help to managing the board to examine the data before taking action to implement the new ideas. Data interpretation helps in predicting upcoming trends and future competition. The process of data interpretation provides the business with various cost benefit. The data interpretation mostly helps in decision making. It helps in gaining the knowledge, and it is used also helps to manipulate information in order to answer critical questions. It helps in evaluating consumer requirements. Next, steps in data analysis and data interpretation. Define the problem, collect data, data cleaning, analyzing the data, data visualization, presenting the data. First, define the problem. It is the first step which is involved in data analysis and interpretation. First, defining the analyst has to understand the task and the stakeholders' expectations for solution. So first, we should define the problem. Collect the data. After defining the problem, the second step in data analysis and interpretation is to collect the data. This step includes collecting data and storing it for further analysis. The data is collected from various sources like internal or external sources. Data cleaning. After the data is collected, the third step is data cleaning. Cleaning the data means data that is free from misspelling, irrelevance. Cleaning the data largely depends on data integrity. There might be a duplicate data, or the data might not be in the format. Therefore, the unnecessary data is removed. Analyzing the data. The next step in data analysis and interpretation is to analyze the data. The clean data is used for analyzing and identifying the trends. It also performs calculations and combinations data for better result. Data visualization. After analyzing the data now transformed has to be made into a visual using chart or graph. It is made for a simple understanding of complex data. Presenting the data. At last, it involves transforming raw information into a format that is easily comprehensible and meaningful for various stakeholders. The goal of presenting the data is to facilitate a clear understanding of complex information. Conclusion. Data is not only limited to business application. Our day-to-day life is filled with data, from what time to start our work, in which stock to invest, etc. It is all data. The process of reviewing data through some analytical method which will help assign some meaning to the data and arrive at a relevant conclusion. The basic purpose of data analysis and information is to make informed decisions, draw conclusions. Thus, it helps to gain knowledge to achieve a competitive strategy. Thank you.